In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money on Vantage Markets quickly and securely. Funding your trading account properly is an essential step to ensure your capital is available when market opportunities arise. Whether you are using bank transfers, cryptocurrencies, or e-wallets, knowing how the deposit portal works helps you avoid unnecessary delays and trade with complete confidence. To get started, navigate to the official Vantage Markets website and log into your account portal. Once you are logged in, look at the top navigation bar and select Funds. From the drop-down menu options, click on Deposit. Next, you will see a field to select the account in which the funds should be deposited. Make sure to choose your correct trading account. After selecting your account, enter the amount you wish to deposit in your chosen currency. For this tutorial, let's enter 1,000 USD. Once your deposit amount is set, click on Continue. On the next page, Vantage Markets will present you with all the deposit options available for your account. Please keep in mind that these options can change based on the region you are based in and the regulatory requirements in your jurisdiction. The main options typically include local bank transfer, cryptocurrency, e-wallet, and international bank transfer. Select your preferred deposit method and click on Continue. From here, you will need to go through the verification process based on your selected option to ensure the transaction is completed. For local bank transfer, the process can take up to 2 to 3 hours. For international bank transfer, the workflow is slightly different. You must make sure the deposit is made into the exact beneficiary details provided on your screen and then upload your payment receipt. Once Vantage Markets checks and verifies everything, your funds should reflect in 2 to 3 business days. On the other hand, for cryptocurrency, the process is much faster and often instant. You will be connected to the respective crypto provider or shown a QR code to complete the transfer. Please take necessary caution while copy-pasting the crypto address, making sure to copy the full address accurately. For e-wallet deposits, simply follow the provider prompts to complete your authorization. Once your deposit is completed, the funds will reflect and be available for you to trade. If the funds are not immediately available, do not panic, as some payment methods simply take a little longer to process. To summarize, depositing funds on Vantage Markets involves logging into your portal, selecting your account under Funds, choosing your deposit amount, picking a payment method suitable for your region, and completing the verification steps. Now, I would love to hear from you. What deposit method do you plan on using for your Vantage Markets account? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Drop if you would have any questions about the deposit process. I will see you in the next one.